the parachutist is going to be experiencing a downward acceleration due to gravity of 9.8 and also an upward acceleration that is due to the air resistance, that is R. And overall, this parachutist is falling down, so it is going through a velocity downwards as V. And the question tells us that for this particular velocity here, the rate of change, so let me write it down, the rate of change of this velocity here is being modeled as the difference that is between the downward acceleration and the upward acceleration. So it is going to be equal to 9.8 minus away R. The question tells us that R is directly proportional to V with a constant of proportionality to be K, and K is bigger than 0. I'm going to put that in. So 9.8 minus R, which is KV, and K is bigger than 0. And based on this, we are going to try to solve the differential equation and trying to express V in terms of T and K. And to do that, the very first thing that we should do when it comes to solving of differential equation in our syllabus is to first identify which type of differential equation it is so that we can adopt the correct method to solve the differential equation. So for this, we are looking at a variable separable kind of differential equation because I'm looking at dv/dt as one that is the multiple of a function in terms of v multiplied by 1, and I'm going to treat the 1 as a function that is in terms of t. So we have a variable separable here, and the strategy to solve a variable separable differential equation is to take the function that is in terms of v, divide it to the other side to join the dv/dt. So it is going to be 1 over 9.8 minus kv, then dv/dt, this is going to be equal to 1. Next, integrating both the left and the right hand side with respect to t. On the left hand side, it is going to be reduced to 1 over 9.8 minus kv dv. And on the right hand side, it is going to be integration of 1 with respect to t. We have this. Pretty easy to integrate this. It is going to be 1 over the coefficient of v, then ln modulus of 9.8 minus kv is equal to, this will be t plus an arbitrary constant. I'm going to go for a. And the question told us that r is less than 9.8. R is less than 9.8. I'm specifically referring to this. The question says r is less than 9.8, which means that 9.8 minus r must be bigger than 0. And r is equal to kv, which means that 9.8 minus kv is going to be bigger than 0. And I'm going to apply it to here. Because we have a modulus of a positive expression. So I can actually rewrite this as just simply ln of curve bracket 9.8 minus kv is equal to t plus a. I think this is a good time for us to solve for a, and that is also because the question actually gave us a piece of information that we can make use of to find a, which is the question says in the very beginning that the parachutists jump from stationary helicopters. Okay, which means that when t is equal to 0, v must be equal to 0. So let me use this information. T is equal to 0, v is equal to 0, which will be giving us a minus 1 over k ln of 9.8 on the left hand side, because v is equal to 0, this will disappear, is equal to t is equal to 0. So a is going to be equal to this, which means that from here now we will have a minus 1 over k ln 9.8 minus kv. This is equal to t plus a, which is minus 1 over k, then ln of 9.8. Okay, now what we want to do is to make v the subject, because we have already solved the differential equation. So I'm going to multiply throughout by minus k, which will be giving us a ln 9.8 minus kv is minus kt plus ln 9.8. Bring ln over to the other side. On the left hand side, we have a 9.8 minus kv is e to the power of this, which I am going to rewrite this as e to the power of ln 9.8 e to the power of minus kt. And e to the power of ln 9.8 is just simply 9.8. So we have this e to the power of kt, which means that kv is going to be 9.8 minus away 9.8 e to the power of minus kt, and v is going to be, let me factorize out 9.8. So we have a 9.8, then 1 minus e to the power of minus kt divided by k. Okay, this is going to be for the first part of the question. We have a second part of the question. The second part of the question requires us to find the terminal velocity, which is the velocity when the falling object, in our case the parachutist, is going to be experiencing after a long time. So that is when t tends to infinity, terminal velocity. So we want to find the terminal velocity of this parachutist by letting t goes to infinity. So when t goes to infinity, we have v that will become 9.8. Then 1 minus, okay, k is a positive number. So when t goes to infinity, we have a e to the power of minus infinity. Okay, and what is e to the power of minus infinity for this portion here? E to the power of minus infinity, we can definitely see this as if it is a 1 over e to the power of infinity. So 1 over a very, very large value is going to become 0. Okay, so this here, since k is positive and t becomes infinity, this will become 0 over k, which means that the terminal velocity of the parachutist is going to be equal to 9.8 over k.